Hope everyone is keeping healthy and safe. Okay, as you can see by the intro of the video, we picked up a Tesla Model Y. So if you guys are ever interested in buying a Tesla, the Model Y, feel free to continue following this channel. I'll be kind of sharing my whole experience, especially with our trip from San Jose all the way back to Toronto. We'll be putting about 5,600 kilometers on the car. So that's gonna be a good test. Today's video, I want to share our pickup experience from Fremont. I figure kind of cool. We got the car from Fremont where it's built, and all the problems I ran into and how I got them fixed. So let's get into the video. The ordering process with the Tesla is super simple. Basically go online, you got two options, the performance model or the long range, click through a few options, drop $100 and done. So right off the bat, we got a delivery message from 3 to 7 weeks, which is perfect. But instead, I got the car in 5 days. So basically a text message comes in and gives us the instructions to pay for our car, get the insurance, and where the car is located. So I didn't exactly look at the address on my app, but I went straight to the Fremont location, the manufacturing plant area, thinking that's where I would pick up my car. Anyways, here's a glimpse of how it looks. And this was the actual showroom where we went to go pick it up. Basically in the text message, it tells you where your car is gonna be, what number, and that's it, the car's there.
You wanna drive to it?
Yeah, drive to it.
That's number 2.
Here's our car.
That would be our car.
Literally, this is the most touchless delivery ever because no one was there. Even in the office was dead empty, and the person that was on that kind of area wasn't to be seen. So it's crazy. So we're not super duper picky with fit and finish, but at the same time we want to make sure that everything's okay. One of the things that we learned about the car that I saw on the internet was that the automatic rear folding seats wouldn't fold down because of misalignment, so that looked to be okay. Since there was no one there, it's crazy. Since my wife and I have never even driven a Tesla before this purchase, we had no clue how to even operate it. It's not very intuitive, as you'll see.
I realize I've never driven this thing before, so I don't even know how to turn it on.
How do you turn it on?
I put the card here because it told me to, and then it was in park, and I was like, how do I get it into, like, drive?
Maybe talk to it.
I'm curious on how to put it into park right now.
Maybe you should read the instructions before we take off.
That's what I'm thinking. I don't know how to put it into park.
You should. Did you figure out how to use this thing?
Yes. I've turned on the AC. It's really hot in here. I know how to park and I know how to drive now.
That's all you need.
That was hilarious. I don't know how I started the car. It made me tell things. So literally first time in a Tesla. We bought a Tesla. I've never even test driven it.
Is it fast?
I'm hoping the gears are okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. That makes.
So when we got back home, we took a closer look at the car to see if there's any issues. And basically, got your usual fit and finish issues. It's really strange to see all the stickers everywhere. There's sticker residue. But the main problem that we had was the hatch. It wouldn't open, nor did it close. Here, take a look at this. That grinding noise from the hatch was brutal. Even too, when I looked down the top, the trim and the headliner wasn't on properly. So that all this stuff was a little bit concerning. So if you have any problems with the car, you basically go through the app and send them pictures and they'll give you a service date to go. So fast forward 5 days later, here I am at the service center, kind of a social distance service. All the seating areas closed. I'm literally outside watching them fix the car, which is kind of not a good thing because just watching them fix it, they were literally banging the crap out of the hatch hinges. Like literally, it just felt like they did have a hammer and just banging to keep it in line or trying to align it. Yeah, I don't know if I wish to be there that time, but it is what it is, and that's how they fixed it. Yeah. Well, I'm happy to say after the fix, everything seemed good. I didn't have any problems until one little thing. When I installed the car seats into the car, I found this, and this was kind of So it seems like the seatbelt was not attached properly to the seat. So this is kind of major in my books. But again, I guess a QC issue. Anyways. Okay, I don't want to leave on a low note. So since those problems been resolved, everything's been great. Like, we love the car. It's like a game changer. If you like this video, feel free to thumbs up it. And if you're not subscribed, feel free to subscribe. We're off to Vancouver now. We're gonna do our first leg and we'll be documenting that. So feel free to continue to watch our adventure. Peace out, guys.